Hi, so this is David from Luminous AI, and this will be our second build of the retreat booking system. So, second video in the series. I think I've worked it out, there's going to be about 7 in total. So, step 2 is now going to be the addition of adding Xendit to our to send a notification to the make system, and then the make system can start the series of automations. So if you join me now, we'll dive into the Xendit gateway. Again, it's probably, we can use this with different platforms, but basically if we go into developers, so I've logged into the Xendit dashboard, so it's dashboard.xendit.co/home. I'm in the test environment. I can switch to business or add a new account. I'm not using my clients for this build. So if we click on webhooks, sorry, apologies, integrations, we should see settings. So API webhooks. There we are. So in settings, developers, hashtag webhooks. So there should be webhook token. View my webhook token. Okay, so there's my webhook. I don't mind if you see this because it's on your test account. What are you gonna do? So there should be a section here called invoices. Invoices. Okay. So let's see if we can get a webhook in there. So we'll go into mymake.com. If I'd been prepared, I would have logged in. So let's just create a new scenario. Let's label this YouTube Xendit integration. Hey, YouTube Xendit integration. Capitalize that. Okay, so I want to get a webhook, and what we want to do is get a custom webhook. So create the webhook, and because I'm lazy, I'll just copy this, copy the same title, build. Okay, so let's copy the link address, and we will go to our Xendit platform in the invoices, click OK, and what we can do is go back to our make.com, run this module once, click test, boom. Okay, so anytime an invoice is paid, we will get notification in make.com. That's fixed now. So we can build our integrations from here. Now we've got all of the information we have, like their ID, the external invoice number. So this is something they've made up for the testing purposes. The merchant, bank transfer, status, value, which bank it came from. Pamat is a bank over here. The date was 2016. Wilden at xendit.co. This is a description. Adjusted amount. So yeah, we can start a whole integration from off the back of here. So next we want to add a module. Let me get my other build, one moment, and we'll look what to bring in next. I believe it was a filter, but we won't add the filter just yet because that's further down the line in the build. It would be get an Airtable search records. If you're not using Airtable, you can probably use Google Sheets for this. Okay, retreat bookings. And then table is attendees. Formula was, sorry, a tab just closed down on my other screen. So we can just do all fields, and the formula was if email equals, and then do we have payer email here? Yeah, payer email. Then we'll proceed with the integration. If it doesn't equal, then it will just fail. So click OK. Our next module should be get a record, and then we can get everything from okay. So let me return to our dashboard, payment links. So these are all our single payments. If I go to a multiple payment, hopefully I've still got one active. Yep. Let's run this one here. Here's one I prepared earlier a moment. So this is just my test account, so it's just a link ID, etc. So let's run this module once, and then let's pay this dummy invoice here. This is from my Xendit account, so it won't trigger from Jackie's Xendit payment links. This is my own personal one. So if we're ready, let's go. Okay, so first name, we'll go for all this. We'll go telephone number, retreat, and then click OK. We'll choose the option to do a test debit card payment. It's always 1, 2, 3, 4 on the test payment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to be watching our make module now. There we are, success. So we've brought back 4 modules, 4 records, and the reason being is based on that filter. We have the email where's the email? Email Luminous AI. Okay. Sorry. Email for number 2 is, sorry. Email there, Luminous AI. And then again, email Luminous AI. So what we would likely want to do is filter for the only to bring back one email. So have I done it on previous modules? So we added a filter, and then sorry, I'm just checking my previous screen. If we put filter by, or sort by created, it will bring back the most recent created direction descending, and if we restrict it to just one, this will bring the most recent, because the person paying the deposit is most likely to have created the new record. And then combined with their email, it will bring back. So if maybe they've made a booking in the past, we don't want to get them. We want to get the most recent record that they've created in our Airtable. So let's see if we can bring this number down one more. So we'll click run again, and let's go back to our payment window. We'll go again. We'll use the same information, same email address. Click continue. Click test payment. One, two, three, four. Submit. There we are. Okay, see, we've caught the payment. Luminous AI, merchant, name, payer email. Where are we? Payer email. So payer email has gone through. Our filters worked. Our formula. And then that has returned the most recent record for this, which is 9ME. So if I open up the Airtable, if we go to Airtable, so this should be our most recent one. See Luminous AI there. And then we have 9MI. Let's just go back to make again. 9MI. There we are. So if we wanted, we could then do data record, retreat bookings, attendees, and then we could mark the deposit status. So the drop down, click map. So deposit paid, yes or no. We would select yes, and then proceed. I'm not going to proceed any further with this video because I don't want to interfere with the database and add extra bits. But as you can see from here, we were able to capture. Sorry, I will go over to my other screen. So yeah, as you can see from the build that I've just given you here, you're able to capture. In the first build, we added retreat attendees into our system. And then with this second build, we're capturing their payment. So they fill in their form, they get sent to payment gateway, they fill in the payment gateway, and then we are able to record their payment. So we can then update our database, mark them as paid, and then we can open up the next series of automations for them. Hopefully you found a bit more value from this video. I believe I've got my audio sorted. So yeah, please, any feedback, like, share, subscribe, comments, usual jazz. Our next video, we're going to do build 3, where we'll progress into the automations of like sending them a receipt, a welcome email, and then building the receipts out in each stage of the following integrations. So awesome, I'll see you on the next video.